Yan. So, naglagay ako ng konting oil, mga around 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of butter din. Okay. Ito, mga half bowl of garlic. O natin siya until fragrant. 1 can of button mushroom. 2 stalks of celery. Yan, chop. Just a little bit of chili flakes, pwede rin pepper. Okay. As 1 teaspoon of liquid seasoning.